Hey, welcome back. Or if you're new, thanks for showing up. So this is the slide rocker panels for the bottom, and it's 715009421 is the part number. So let's see what we got. I've been wanting these. These have been on order since the day I bought the HD11. As we know, everything's taking forever to come in. Alright, let's take a look at one of these. Oh, we got the Can-Am name right on the side, so that's nice. This is passenger side, or on the driver's, so we'll pull another one out and just look at it, see what it's going to look like for fitment. And I believe I got some hardware in here too, because I could hear some clicking. There we go. Like the inserts for underneath for the skid plates, so that'll be nice. Hopefully they threw a bunch of extra bolts and nuts in there. So this shouldn't be a long one, because there's only some. I just want to see what they look like, because these are the ones like. Alright, so they come up on the side, they protect the front. This is going to be the grips for the feet now, and obviously they're going to grab this T30. I don't know if they put something bigger. That's what's going to sit here, and this is going to, I guess I should have removed the T30, and you got to remove some of the stuff underneath, I believe, because it's not fitting in there. But nice having the Can-Am imprint, and this will not affect anybody that's got the fenders or whatever. Like if you got the extended fenders, you don't worry about this being a problem. So that'll protect the whole side, and will protect the skid plate as well on the side. And it's like the same material as the bumpers and the front bumper and everything, so that's going to blend and match from the back. If you got the rear bumper all the way to the front bumper, so now you're going to have full same look and appearance all over the place. So be right back and start installing this thing. See you in a second. All right, so step one is remove this T30 right here. So you can do everything with the ratchet. I'm just slacking it off, and I got this DeWalt thingy here, and I like. Here we go. And they give you brand new of everything, so in the kit. So same thing in the front here. You got to remove the one in the front. Right here in the bottom, this big one. And this one's got an insert in the back. You got to leave that there. So here we go. We got to go underneath with a 10 mil, and there's 5 of those things that hold the skid plate in place. So I got to remove. So you're basically getting this full assembly with a 10 millimeter nut. Well, I keep everything that I take off, because you never know when you'll need an extra bolt or nut. Remove all 5 of these. All right, now we're ready for the rock slider. All right. And like I said, everything comes in the kit. So what did I do with the T30 that comes with it? There's the big one. There's the little, oh, it's underneath. Yeah, that's the old one. Okay, so it was underneath one of those steel things. So just put everything just snug, put by hand. Same thing with this one. Just put it, you start threading it by hand, and then go lay back underneath this thing. I actually used the foam that came with it just to lay down, and then 10 millimeter. You can ratchet them if you don't have an impact, and then you line up the bottom. Then once the bottom's lined up, then you know you can tighten anything else. So I'm not putting them tight yet. I'm just sitting them all in place so they. There we go. Let me just repeat that all 5 times. It's a pretty quick installation. There we go. 2 more to go. All right. And the last one. And once everything's in place, tighten them all down. There we go. Now once that's done, snug the top one and all the way, because all the pucks are holding everything in place. So, and then this one. All right, and then I like to snug them by hand because that thing doesn't tight too much. So. There we go. There we go. Nice and solid. So that's the look. With the Can-Am written right in it. All along the side. Protects all the way to the front inside here, pads it. And in the back, it grabs all the way to here. So, simple one. Appreciate you guys watching again. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Helps the channel. Leave a thumbs up if you don't want to subscribe. Helps the rhythm. So we'll catch you on the next one. And we got lots more coming because we got a bunch of stuff that came in finally. Bye for now. You guys be safe out there on the trails.